How to customize Android audio balance. This tutorial shows you how to shift sound more toward your left or right ear. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Accessibility from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Hearing Enhancements to open the audio options. At this point, look for the option labeled Left-Right Sound Balance. In the next step, drag the slider left or right based on which side you want the audio to favor. Following this, play any audio or video to test how the balance sounds after adjusting. Once done, fine-tune the slider again if the balance doesn't feel right yet. Keep in mind, this setting affects all audio system-wide, including music, calls, and notifications. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to reset or adjust the balance again. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize Android audio balance, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.